The camera angle is used to show the avatar closer or further away and also to adjust the perspective of the avatar. Several camera settings can be saved and individually positioned in the sequences. To create a new camera setting, press the plus button among Hierarchy and select Camera. Under Hierarchy, Project, Settings, you will then find the new camera. On the right side you have the option to rename it. If you want to select the camera setting as standard, it is important that you check the box as default. The 3 settings beneath are automatically checked. To change the camera position of your avatar, proceed as follows. To rotate the avatar to the left and right as well as to view it from above or below, the avatar must be selected with the mouse button. The mouse button remains pressed and by moving the mouse the avatar rotates to any position. If you want to zoom in on the avatar or position it further away, scroll with your cursor. If you want to move your avatar up or down, hold the Ctrl and Alt keys at the same time and move your avatar with the mouse. When you have found the right position for your avatar, press Save on the right and save your project again in the upper left corner. You can add as many camera settings as you like. If you would like to have a different camera setting in your project than the standard camera, select the desired sequence. Then double-click next to Camera in the timeline. A new camera field appears, which can be defined more precisely on the right-hand side. Next to Camera, you can then select your desired camera setting. Simply change the position and duration of the camera setting in the timeline. You can also simply drag and drop your desired camera into the timeline. To prevent the avatar from jumping from one perspective to the next when changing cameras, you have the possibility to determine the camera movements via attack and decay. The higher the number, the slower the camera moves from one setting to the other and back again.
Hello.
Do you have further questions about the extensive functions of the VuppetMaster? Check out our other tutorials or drop me a line with your questions and suggestions.